What if Kia went full-on outdoors? Meet the 2025 Kia Tasman, your new rival to the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux. It's bold, it's boxy, and it's coming for your attention. This isn't just another truck. It's Kia's first ever body-on-frame pickup, sliding right into the midsize segment, ready to lock horns with the Ranger, the Hilux, and the D-Max. Named after the rugged Tasman Sea and built with Australia in mind, its roots are adventure itself. Kia isn't just launching a truck, they're telling a story. A docu-series called One More Round follows the Tasman through over 18,000 torture test cycles in the Australian outback. Off-road, deep water, heavy towing, even on-track trials. It's been tested for the kind of abuse you'll never put it through. The world saw it for the first time at the Jeddah Motor Show in October 2024. Global rollout early 2025. And that design, if this truck were a fashion statement, it'd definitely turn heads. Rugged, squared-off angles, vertical headlights, oversized wheel arches. Every panel looks like it was cut with a stencil. Some call it bold, some call it awkward. But Kia says it's honest, practical, purposeful. Under the hood, you've got options. A 2.5-liter turbo petrol with about 277 horsepower, or a 2.2-liter diesel at around 207, 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual, 2-wheel drive or full 4-wheel drive, towing up to 3,500 kilos, payload around 1 ton. That's serious muscle for a first attempt. Step inside and it feels more Kia SUV than work truck. Triple screen layout, including dual 12.3-inch displays and a 5-inch HVAC screen. Wireless charging, a Harman Kardon audio system, clever storage everywhere, even hidden bins under the seats. There's even a fold-out center console table for when the road becomes your office. The bed is just as versatile. Single or double-decker setups, sports bars, ladder racks, even rooftop tent compatibility. Clearly, Kia wants you to think adventure. But here's the catch. The Tasman is launching in Korea, Australia, New Zealand, the Middle East, and Africa. Not in the US. Why? Blame the infamous 25% chicken tax on imported trucks. In Australia alone, Kia expects 20 to 25,000 units sold every year, enough to shake up the rankings and even push Mazda out of second place. So what do you think? Is the Tasman a truck or a hit? Smash that like if you'd roll with that crazy exterior. And tell me this, what's cooler, hidden under-seat storage or that giant touchscreen setup? Drop it in the comments. The 2025 Kia Tasman isn't for everyone, but it is Kia's boldest play yet in the pickup game. Ugly or awesome, one thing's certain, it's here,